skeptic lady, never been to a chiropractor before, been to other practitioners, the sports GP, which is a sort of specialization here in the Netherlands, and nobody really helped her. Helped a little bit, but couldn't get her to be free from her problem. So, um, uh, like I said, very skeptic lady. Cautious in the feeling I got, cautious in believing the things that I was saying and so. But anyway, I did my testing, and we did slumps test and nerve tension tests, and revealed that there was some nerve tension coming from the low back in the left leg. We did the McGill instability test, low back, saw that there was some instability L4, L5. It was reproducing pain into the buttock, but she didn't have back pain in general. Her low back is, according to her, just fine.